Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories, coming from our newest location at 1443 Banks Road. And what do we have today? Well, we have a Ford Raptor that we did two things for, and I'll show you one second. By the way, if you have questions, that is our telephone number. We have great answers. By the way, we have John, the general manager, behind the camera today, and he's going to be shooting this great looking Roush off-road Raptor here. And I tell you, before we get into how everything works, just take a good look how it looks. Now, we did two things. We did the BedRug and we did the Revolver X4Ts. The TS is basically comes with the T slots there. So if you want to add rack access, you can. Now, if you notice, the seal is a little wobbly, but that's brand new. Once the sun gets to it, it'll be all nice and flat. And speaking of flat, this is a nice low profile, very super clean. Now, this has got a 400-pound weight capacity, and it comes with a 5-year manufacturer warranty. Now, the good news is we are able to double that factory warranty with our installation today. So that 5 years, now 10 years, and that's going to cover all the parts. Now, since we also installed it, we're going to give you a 1-year labor covering everything we've done for an entire year. So you get parts for 10 years, 1 year in labor. So let's go here. I just opened a minute ago. There we go. Nothing ain't we done. Okay, so again, you got the BedRug in here. Now, he does have the one with the little arm here, so that we had to order one. And it took him a little while to get this one because he stopped making these with this type setup here. So, but as you can see, this works together. Now, the BedRug actually does go on top of the actual little Bedliner piece. Okay, and let's go into how the cover works. All right, so you got a left and right release mechanism. Now, the reason that is good, if you pull off to the side of the road and you got a lot of traffic on one side or the other side, you can go to the other side of the vehicle to open your cover. Now, if you look here, you can see it has a nice big fat seal, and that does get a little snug when you close the tailgate, but that's what you want. The tighter it is, the better it is for water. So again, speaking of water, I'm going to give you the water speech. Ready for the water speech? No cover is waterproof. Okay, so keep that in mind. We're not selling submarines, we're selling tunnel covers. Now, this is one of the most water resistant ones you can find for the money. So this is very, very good. Now, if you notice when you open this up, you can see the BedRug, and see this thing is a exact fit for this bed. These are vehicle specific. They're not universal. When you go to order this, the reason this one took so long, because this is custom made for this tailgate and this tailgate alone. Most tailgates will be flat. Now, if you notice, we put all the tie downs on top of the BedRug, and we did put this back in here. It's a great look. I mean, he's got a, let's say he's got a top of the line truck here, so you really want a top of the line setup here in the back. Now, what's nice about this cover, when it's rolled all the way up, it does not block the third brake light or your rear view mirror, I mean your window here. So, and it also does act a little bit as a headache rack. Now, if you're not familiar with that term, if something's in the back and you hit the brakes and comes flying forward, it will hit this instead of that, so it protects the window, especially if you have people in the back seat. I like this because you don't lose any space in the bed and you don't have any blockage up here. So it's a kind of a win-win situation. Easy to use. It does have this nice little rubber thing for your hand. Helps with grip, but most important, if it's open, the sun's been getting to it, it doesn't get hot. So now, speaking of temperature, this is a dual piece of cover. What does that mean? Well, if you notice, it had the metal on the bottom and you got a nice TPO material on top here. That does a good job of insulating the temperature so it doesn't get as hot into the bed. And having the BedRug in there actually helps absorb the heat as well. So this is a great setup. Looks good, it functions good. I like this product. Now, if you don't live here in Florida, we ship all over the continental USA, plus Hawaii, Alaska, Puerto Rico, Brazil, and Jamaica, and some stuff in Canada. So if you don't live here in Florida, we still got you covered. You can, now I'll put a link of this product on the bottom of this YouTube video. You can go to the website and order it, or you can call us and we'll walk you through all the details. Generally, what we do is we'll ask you a lot of questions. What do you have? Stuff of that nature. Make sure we get you the right product. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, and this is a review of the Bak Revolver X4Ts with the BedRug here, which is now being changed to Husky liners. And don't forget, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.